Hey everyone, this is my Starlink unboxing video. I signed up for Starlink almost a year ago. It was delayed because of supply chain issues and because they didn't have enough satellites in the sky. But I just got it today, and so we're going to unbox it and see what's in there. All right. Got some tape here. I'm going to cut through that. Open it up. What do we got? A box within a box. All right. Nope. It's just a panel. Okay. Then we've got some packing material here. Let's see what we got. Plastic. Molded plastic there. Okay. Looks like we got the dish itself. Oh, we got the base. All right. Metal. Looks like it's powder coated. It's gray. Additional packing piece there. Looks like what we're gonna stand it on. Put it there for now. Then we got the dish itself. Lift it up here. Wow, this was not what I was expecting exactly. I was expecting it to. This is kind of like portrait mode, like this. I was definitely expecting it to be more landscape or more like a dish television dish. And then we got a little explanation of how to line it up. Good. And we got a whole bunch of cable. Whole mess of cable. Look at that. All right. We got a receiver in there right here. Nice. Let's set this down here. Don't ruin it. All right. This guy's got a glass cover. It's got a couple lights for like orbits or something. Power on the bottom. A little notch to pull the cords out. Looks pretty nice. Set that down. And then we got a little power cord for the base and some FCC warnings. And that's kind of it. Pretty simple. Let's see. Anything else in there? Just the base and the bottom of the box. So okay, well, I don't know what else I was expecting, but there we are. We're gonna go try setting it up now. All right, we're gonna try and wing it here and see if we just put it together without thinking too much about it. There's our base. We got a straight slot here. We've got a place for the cable to go in there. There's a little notch in the base there that looks like it's gonna line up with this notch. So let's see. I guess, what do? Run the cable through it? Maybe we can do that later. We'll try leaving the cable out here. There it is. It's pretty solid. All right. There you go.